Initially, we have to delete the objects inside the S3 bucket before deleting the bucket itself. First, go to your bucket dashboard. There is the bucket that I have created previously. Select to delete. When I try to delete it, it doesn't delete. Why? Because the bucket has objects in it, so we have to delete it first. Go inside the bucket. You will find the objects like this. These objects are still working. Tick and delete. So easy. You can type to confirm deletion, or else copy-paste, like me. Now the objects have been successfully deleted. Refresh and check. There's no objects. Go back to your bucket and tick to delete. Deleting a bucket cannot be undone, so be cautious when deleting. Copy and paste to delete. No bucket. All done. See you in the next video.